Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this spinning 3D tower. The first thing you'll need to do is have your 3 clips in your timeline. These are obviously the wrong size for the tower, so all you're going to have to do is copy the clips, create a new composition where the width and the height are the same to create a square, and then paste the clips into the new composition. Now you're going to center the clips before pre-composing them individually so that they maintain this square shape. You can now copy the newly pre-composed clips and paste them back into the first composition, deleting the old clips at the same time. Now all I'm going to do is, while the clips are still highlit, I'm going to decrease them so that they're the same size and that the whole tower can fit onto the screen. Next I'm going to duplicate the first clip and then go to the rectangle masking tool, holding down to change it from rectangle to ellipse, and then I'm going to make a circle mask onto the duplicated clip. I'm then going to do this with the rest of my clips, saving time by copying and pasting the pre-existing mask I have onto the new duplicated layers. Next, I'm going to take the first 2 square clips and lay one above the next to create the tower look. Then I'm going to take the circle mask of the first clip and enable 3D before hitting R and changing the X rotation to 90 degrees. Now I'm going to position the flat circle in between the 2 square clips we'd previously put on top of each other. We're then going to continue this pattern, enabling 3D on the mask and turning it flat before putting it in the pattern of square mask, square mask, square mask, so it makes this tower look. Now I'm going to enable 3D on the rest of the clips before changing the perspective from active camera to custom view 1, just so we can adjust the position of the tower from a 3D perspective. I'm going to enable snapping if you haven't already and drag the square clips so that they lay on top of each other, making sure this occurs in the centre of the flat circle masks. After we've repositioned the tower to our liking, we are going to change back to active camera and work on animating the tower as a whole. To do this, we are going to click on the top clip and then layer, new, and then null object. Now I'm going to highlight all of the clips apart from the null object and then click on one of the spirals and drag it towards the null object layer. Finally, I will enable 3D on the null object. To animate the tower, I'm firstly going to change the scale and position of it so the first clip is the only one in view, and I'm going to add a keyframe. Next, I'm going to bring the time indicator to the middle of the clip and drag the second position value so that the middle square clip is in view, before dragging the time indicator almost to the end of the clip and adding the last position value so that the final square clip is in view. Now I'm going to highlight the keyframes, control, click, and easy ease them. Next, I'm going to create the rotation, so the first thing I'll do is hit R and keep the Y rotation at 0 at the beginning of the clip. Then I will change the time to around halfway and add a keyframe at around 180 degrees, before going towards the end of the clip and adding a keyframe at around 160 degrees. Now I will click U to get all the keyframes, highlight them, control click, keyframe assistant, easy ease. Then I'm going to click on one keyframe and then the graph, changing the graph to speed. I want to push all the keyframes to the left, but only slightly, as we are looking for a slow movement. Then we are going to do the same for the rotation keyframes, pushing the graph slightly to the left. And there we have it, the rotation tower is complete. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other tutorials you would like me to make, please comment them down below. Bye!